This is the Briggs and Stratton Q6500, 6.5 kVA. This little baby keep on running that home for about 14 hours on a tank of fuel. Let's start this and see how she goes. This hasn't been run for about a month or so. Let's just see whether she starts first go. Okay, is to switch it over to start. There, pull out the choke, switch on the on button, and this might take a little while. We'll just see how she goes.